Hundreds of years ago, the main creation in China that led to the industrialization was the creation of steel and coal mining. In the 18th century and the beginning of the 19th century, coal was the number one problem that caused smog in the countries that first started off using the Industrial Revolution. China was not a part of the Industrial Revolution until the end of the revolution, which was at the end of the 19th century.
What is air pollution doing to the world? The air pollution from China is spreading across the world. China is known as the 16th out of the world's 20th most polluted countries. The air in most of the cities in China is in bad quality. China's citizens need to wear a mask over their mouth because the air pollution level is 40 times over the safety limit set by the World Health Organization. Smog in Beijing is very thick. The people that live in Beijing have to wear a mask every day. Recently, in 2013, Keith Wagstaff, a journalist, visited Beijing and found out that China's smog has taken over the whole city. In October 23, 2013, Beijing had to shut down their schools, buses, and roads because of their safety hazards.
During the 2012 Olympics in Beijing, the air was extremely foggy and polluted, which made it hard for the runners to breathe. In 2010, the deadly amount of smog in China caused 1.2 million premature deaths, which caused people to die instantly from health defects that the smog caused. China's smog and water pollution has put the world in $1.08 billion in debt, which causes other countries to clean up after the mess. Thousands of dead fish were found along a 19-mile river in the Hubei province. China is expected to be 199 billion cubic meters short of water by 2030 due to their water pollution. Over 300 million rural Chinese households have no access to clean, safe drinking water. Statistics say about 190 million Chinese people normally drink polluted water. Clearly, air pollution is not the only major problem China is faced with, because the waters of China are also being greatly affected.
There are many power sources in the world, but the ones, in my opinion, with the most potential is the creation of energy through wind and solar power. Here are some of the pros of wind and solar. The max potential of wind energy can lead to 20 times the power of what the human population needs. There is an unlimited amount of wind energy and it is renewable. Only a small amount of our electricity today is created by wind. The cost of creating wind energy is cheap, so money is not a problem. Solar energy. It causes no pollution, and solar panels produce energy quietly. The ability to harness energy on a small location that's not linked to a national grid is what also makes solar energy good. Laying down solar panels is cheaper than laying down high voltage wires. Solar panels are on rooftops, so space is not a problem. Installing solar panels may be expensive, but the creation of the energy makes up for the cost of installation. Less fossil fuels are needed when using solar energy.